What's up, YouTube? We're going to be doing an intro to my new channel. I'm pretty fresh to this technology and doing YouTube and videoing myself. I'm not used to talking to myself out loud, but I spend most of my time in the shop by myself, so I do talk to myself quite a bit. But talking to a camera is definitely a weird situation. I'm just going to kind of go over what I do about my business that I started at the kind of towards the end of last fall. I run a small fabrication shop. I do mobile welding. And I also have a 40 by 60 shop that I do welding in also. I'm going to kind of walk through it and go over what I do and what my shop is in southeast Kansas. That's where I'm based out of. So as soon as we walk in here, I got a 12,000 pound 2-post lift. This was one of the main things that I wanted. It has been super handy. I'm not sponsored by Rotary by no means, but these lifts are high quality, American made. I had a company local install it for me, and it is probably one of the top things that I absolutely love about this shop that I was able to get. But here's the shop. It's got two 12 by 12 overhead doors there, and then I have one on the north wall, so I'm able to pull big long trailers in here. But I could pull truck and trailer in here, but that was without that table being down there. But for the welders in the shop, I run Lincoln. Again, not sponsored by Lincoln at all, but I've always ran Lincoln in my shop. That's actually what I started out with. But got my toolboxes set up over here. Got the little tiny office, and this. Just had this delivered a few days ago. It's a 5 by 10 CNC plasma table. I'm running a Hypotherm 65 to cut things out. I haven't got it set up. There's definitely going to be a video on me setting it up and getting it ready and the first cut. But it's going to be a learning experience. This company is out of Las Vegas. Not sponsored or paid by them to say anything. But so far the table is it's really well built. I was definitely impressed. Their shipping was phenomenal. It was here in 5 days, I believe. Paid for it on Tuesday and it was here on Saturday. I was impressed by that. And then one of my projects is that I've been building for almost 2 years, I think. Is a 1999 Dodge 3500 Cummins 2-wheel drive, lowered 5-speed. I'll be working on it, and there'll be some videos on it. But the suspension is at powder coat right now, getting redone. Got some mint 2nd gen tan leather seats for it. I'm ready to get it done, get it back on the road. But that's really a shop. So what I do in here, I just anything from new fabrication or just repairs, and I do the same thing on the truck. I've done pipe fencing work, hanging gates, trailer repair. I've actually shortened a C10 frame. Right now I've got a materials in here to do a sheep turntable, I guess is what it's called, and then a sheep stand to have the sheep sheared on. Got some of the wheels and tires over there for that trailer. I've built a drive over cattle guard, but it wasn't a pit style, it was above ground. And then for the same guy, I've had 2 cattle guards delivered from a different company, and then I welded posts on the ends of them to stretch fence off of. So those will actually be delivered this weekend. But there really isn't a whole lot more to talk about. I don't want to talk about much because that's kind of boring stuff. I just want to do an intro to what I do and what I've been doing. Hopefully these videos kind of get better as I go, which they will. And the more I get used to talking to this thing, the better I'll get. But yeah. So the next video is going to be, it's either going to be over this part of this truck, putting the bed on, or it'll be this little project I'm getting ready to do. So we'll see. But thanks for watching this video, and hopefully you like and subscribe, and keep watching. Thanks.